I'm gonna give you three graph, and you're gonna write the equation for this three graph. So the graph number one I'll give you. Graph number one that I'll give you. So let's draw a coordinate plane. So you have to write the equation of the line. All right. So the graph two I'll give you. Graph 2 I'll give you is this one. Alright, so this is the graph. So you have to write the equation of the line for graph 2. And then the graph 3, finally. Graph 3. Alright, so there you go. I have three graphs and you have to write the equation of the line. So let's start with the first one. Okay, so this is quadratic. So this is quadratic. So I need 3 points to write the equation of the line. So this is the first point. So this is 0, 0. This is the second point, which is 1, 5. And this is the third point, which is 2, 20. This is linear increasing. So I need 2 points. So let's see, 2 points. I have 1, 2, and I have 2, 4. All right. This is linear constant. I need 2 points. This is 0, 2, and this is 5, 2. Alright, so I need these 2 points. Okay, so this one, my x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. Oh, wait a minute. I think I cannot solve it using the slope formula because it's more than 2 points. So I have to do the system of equation. Alright, so what I know about this graph, the linear constant look like y. So the expression for linear constant is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A is 0 and b is 0. So y is equal to c. This is the form. Alright, so somehow my final equation has to look like this. Let's see over here. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And a must be 0. So then y is equal to bx plus c. Sometimes we call it y equal to mx plus b. Alright, my final equation has to look like this. I need to have a slope which is positive, and I have to have a y-intercept. And I already see the y-intercept is start from 0. So I think the y-intercept would be 0, but we'll see. The quadratic y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So in this case, a cannot be 0. If a is 0, then it is not a quadratic. So what is the degree? Degree 0, make it linear. Degree 1, make it linear increasing. Degree 2 makes it quadratic. All right. Now let's use 3 points to find the equation for quadratic. So I have y is equal to, so I have the point x and y 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, 20. So y is ax square plus bx plus c. All right, so now what is our y? Y is 0. X is y is 0, x is also 0. So c is equal to 0. All right, so we know one value, c is equal to 0. And now what do we need to find? We need to find the a and b. Let's see. Y is this time y is 5. X is 1. C is 0. So 5 is equal to a plus b. So a plus b is equal to 5. All right, now the last point. The last point, y is 20 and a is 2. X is 2. So 20 is equal to 4a plus 2b. So 4a plus 2b is equal to 20. All right, now we're gonna use the system of equation to find the a and b, value of a and b. So we have two equations. 4a plus 2b is equal to 20, and a plus b is equal to 5. So I'm going to multiply this one by 1 and this one by -4. Let's see what we get. Top one, I'm going to multiply it by 1. So I have 4a plus 2b is equal to 20, and this one I'm going to multiply by -4. So -4a, -4b is equal to -20. So this cancels. So I have minus 2b is equal to this cancels 0. So b is equal to 0. Voila. So I have c is equal to 0. I have b is also equal to 0. All right. And now I have to find a. All right. So finding a is easy. So all I need to do, use one of the equation here and put the value of b and c. So let's say a plus b is equal to 5. A plus b is equal to 0. So a is equal to 5. All right, now a is equal to 5. Okay, great. Now finally I have the equation of the line. So y is a is equal to 5. So I'm going to put 5 x squared plus b is equal to 0, 0x plus c is equal to 0, 0. So y is equal to 5x squared. Now I can rewrite this equation, f of x is equal to 5x squared. Now I can predict what would be the y value when x is 3. The y value when x is 3 is 45. All right. In fact, I can find the y value at given any x value. That's how powerful equation of the line is. So the equation of this line, now I'm going to erase everything. I don't need anything. All right. So equation of this parabola is, I know now, 5x squared. All right. Very nice. Now I'm going to find the equation of the line right here. How can I find it? First, I'm going to use the slope. I have 2 points. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. So what is y2? 4 minus 2, 2 minus 1. So 2 over 1. So my slope is 2. Now I'm going to use the point-intercept formula. So y is equal to m x minus x1 plus y1. This is called point-intercept formula. So y is equal to m is 2 x minus x1. x1 is 1. y1 is 2. So y is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 2. So y is equal to 2x. So what good is this? The good is this is I know the y value when x is 5. So let's see. When x is 5, y is 2 times 5 is 10. When x is 5, y is 10. Now I can erase everything because I have the equation of the line. So equation of this line is y equal to 2x. Alright, now I'm going to come over here, do this one. So m is y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Now y2 is 2 right here, minus y1 is 2, x2 is 5, and x1 is 0. So 2 minus 2 is 0, and 5. 0 over 5 is 0 over 5 is 0. So my slope is 0. Now I'm going to write point slope formula. Y is mx minus x1 plus y1. Y is the slope is 0. I'm going to put 0. And I'm going to choose one of the point. Let's use 0, 2. So y is 0 minus 0 plus 2. So y is 2. Alright, so now I know the equation of this line, so I don't know anything. I can erase everything. So equation of this line is y is equal to 2. What does that mean? So now I know everything. I can erase everything because I wrote the equation of the line. Alright, so this is y is equal to 2. If x changes, y doesn't change. If x changes, y doesn't change. Alright. If x changes, yeah, so 1 unit of change in x resulted 2 unit of change in y. Alright, so what do we call it? Slope. So 2 over 1. So 1 unit of change in x, 2 unit of change in y. We can write it y is equal to 2x. And this is the quadratic. Y is equal to 5x squared. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to Very Science Lab. Subscribe to Very Science